If you went back in time 5 years and you needed a web page updated and you didn't have the know-how to do it yourself, for what I'm about to do in 3 minutes with Google Gemini would have taken probably a week by the time you connect with whoever is doing your website, tell them the update you need, give them the information, get on their schedule. You get what I'm saying. It would have taken several days for what is going to take me under 5 minutes for sure, probably closer to three. Let me show you. So I made a video earlier today about the Lyra prompt and how you can use it to optimize just a basic prompt and have it turn into something that's 150 times better. So this prompt right here in the description, I said it's on my website. It's also in the comments. Well, when I said that, I didn't actually have this on my website. I knew I was going to do it, but I posted the video and then forgot that I didn't put it on the site. So let me show you what I did. I came into Gemini and I went into Canvas mode, which you can see right down here. I typed, I need an HTML code block built that someone could go on my website and easily copy and paste the prompt for AI. I didn't give it enough detail. It made something that was just like basically you can paste something in and then copy what you just pasted in. So it didn't work. Then I said, if I give you the prompt that I need, can you make it a one-click copy paste? It said absolutely. I said it's called Lyra. I gave it the prompt, this big, long, broken, it's not even structured right. Says that's an excellent prompt. The Lyra optimization framework is a great piece of work, and setting it up for one-click copy paste is a perfect use for this tool. So it built this code, and then the preview is this right here. You can just one-click copy. So all I need to do is go to the code, click in here, Control A, Control C. I've already on my website made a Lyra prompt tab. So then all I need to do is go to Edit, Add Block. I click Embed. I click the little pencil icon, code snippet, embed data, paste it. It looks all janky and weird. I save it, I exit. It looks like this. So is what we'll do. We'll come in here, I'll drag it to the middle, I'll save it again. And then when you go to aaronandai.com, I go to the Lyra prompt, I write here, one-click copy, prompt copied successfully, can go back into Gemini, new chat, paste the whole thing, and Lyra is ready to go. This, like I said, if I would have had a company who managed my website and I didn't have the know-how on how to do that, it would have taken me, that would not have been done in one day. There's no way that would have been done in one day 5, 6 years ago. With AI, I was very easily able to, I started this video, I've only been recording for 9 minutes and there's been probably 4 to 5 minutes of just blank air that I'm going to edit out. So I've done this for sure in under 10 minutes, probably under 5. And then from here, it's executing the prompt optimization that I need. And it's on my website. It's providing value for free. All the stuff I provide on my website is always free. There's never anything you pay for. No paywalls, no pop-ups, no anything. We'll fix the formatting here. You could sign up for my newsletter if you want, but I have like 180 people signed up for it from like 6 weeks ago, and I've never sent a newsletter. So that's the only kind of marketing you're going to get from me. And even if you sign up, I haven't done anything with it yet. So while we're here, let's just come back. We'll edit this, see if we can just drag these up. Oh, actually, the framework on it is not going to. Oh, it will allow it. Cool. And then we'll make that a little bit shorter. We'll save it. We'll refresh this just to see if it looks better. A little bit. It's not perfect. Not saying what I just did was incredible web design work, but what I need it for, what you guys need it for, to be able to just go to the home page, see the prompt library, hit the Lyra prompt, and then copy it, and then immediately paste it and use it. It works for what I need it to do. It works for what you need it to do. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.